Yeah, I'm Meghna.
Okay, so Meghna, do you celebrate Dussehra?
No, actually, I have came Bangalore to give my IELTS exam. This
Okay.
time I'm not celebrating with my family.
Okay, no issue, no issue. Miss, do you know why we celebrate Dussehra
Yeah,
exact?
I know that.
Okay, so let's
Exactly.
actually it's a festival today, you know. So
Mm.
means let's talk about something this festival about something, huh?
Okay.
Okay, so why according to you why we celebrate Dussehra, Meghna?
It's like fighting against the evil eye.
Okay.
Like in the ancient, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
in the ancient times, like the goddess and gods were for fighting against the devil.
Okay. Okay.
That is the reason the festival itself came
Means
into the
it is
practice.
a Hindu festival celebrated in the memory of legendary, we can say, mythological character of Lord Rama, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, means
Yeah.
defeating so-called undefeatable evil soul called Ravan, we can say.
Yeah.
And if I talk about West Bengal people believe is that goddess Ma Durga, I think, who came to visit her father's house on earth, right, on the day of Dashmi or Dashera. So everyone rejoices and tells her to come again next year while bidding Ma Durga a goodbye, right?